What's the most expensive date you spend money on?
Say that I give you rupees 50,000 right now. Or I give you 1 rupee today and make sure that it doubles for the next 30 days. What would you choose? Okay, so what do you think is the probability? What do you think will happen first? Will RCB win first? Or do you think that Vijay Mallaya will come back to India first?
Obviously, CSK will win, RCB will lose. That.
Hi, I'm Simran.
And this is Karan.
Last week we went to High Street and understood what people think about money.
So this week we're coming to Church Street. So a few more questions about money. So join us to find out.
We hope that you enjoyed the last video, and if you've missed it, be sure to check the description box for the link.
Or do you guys work?
Yes,
Study. Okay.
Yes, we both are working. And I'm a fashion designer. Basically, I'm an assistant professor in fashion.
What did you do with your first salary?
First salary, actually my first salary came from Amazon. I want a really nice straightener.
Yeah,
What do you intend to do with your first salary?
I got 2,000, but unfortunately it went for my dad. So that didn't come to my hand.
Oh, I spend on myself. I did
Fine.
shopping. I whatever I wanted for myself, I did that.
So actually today is the first day that I've received my stipend. I received my first salary today and I've taken my mom
Yes.
out for shopping.
Yes, he's taking me out.
Say that your respective companies, they were listed on the stock exchange. Would you invest in them?
No.
So our company definitely offers us stocks already. So definitely, definitely,
Okay.
100%.
Any reason why?
Just because the college.
Alliance is a corporate. More
Okay.
than a college, it's a corporate. So yeah, I think it's the best place.
What's the most expensive date you spend money on? It could be lunch with a friend, it could be a birthday party,
Hey.
anything.
We all are singles.
Yeah, but you would have treated someone, no?
We have never been on a date.
No, like a birthday party or like, something like that.
And then you specifically asked for a date. But birthday
Huh.
party like 4,000, 5,000 was.
You treated someone or you got
Yeah.
someone a gift or something.
Yeah,
What is the
yeah,
most
yeah.
expensive you spent?
Gift or spent?
Both.
Gift I've given to someone not more than 1,000 rupees. I'm not a spendthrift kind of a guy. I don't usually get expensive because I'm not earning. I cannot gift something from my family's income and family's money. Why would I?
Understood.
Yeah, they must be deserving, and most of the friends are not deserving.
Those to harami hote
And
hain.
gift which I've got are, regarding my family has given me most of the gifts, like expensive gift or bike or something like that. Yeah, of the parents. Friends always give bombs only, not gifts. Guys are guys. You already know the feeling, right? Guys will be guys. Not like girls, 4 cakes assembled in one place, cutting all the cakes, all the candles.
Celebrate birthday with
Nothing like that. We got beaten in our birthdays, you know.
We celebrate our
For staying out too late or stuff like that. Oh yeah.
How much did you end up spending?
It was all on him.
Okay, what was the most expensive thing that you demanded?
Nothing.
Like many wives do that. no?
No, I was just happy with the aura and that like we two were sitting together.
That's very sweet. What about you, sir?
No,
मम्मी साथ में है, मैं डेट के बारे में बोलने नहीं वाला हूँ.
not really. मैंने नहीं spend करा कभी.
अच्छा नहीं क्या?
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
Which one is your favorite team? RCB. What about you?
Same. Mine is CSK.
Okay. Tony fan?
Yes.
Okay. RCB. Okay.
Punjab.
Bangalore.
And Petronas
Ah,
Racing.
you're the RCB fan, right?
I'm from Bangalore, right?
Okay.
Oh, Chennai.
क्या बोला तूने
वो चेन्नई वाला बोलो. कौन सा? CSK. धोनी. CSK.
You're a Dhoni fan.
Yes.
Sadly, it's RCB.
Sadly.
Okay.
They haven't won yet, so.
What do you think is going to happen next year? More likely to happen? RCB winning the championship or Vijay Mallaya coming back?
Vijay Mallaya, I hope he comes back. I really like the guy.
I don't think RCB will win.
RCB will win. That's more likely.
No, see, actually the luck is not with them. Whenever they try,
Yeah, whenever they try, it's like,
they can't win. But they have the huge fan base.
agree. Like one of the best fans, yeah.
They're loyal.
Yeah. I'm one of them, so I understand. Yeah.
What do you think?
RCB will win first.
Is a cup namde.
2,000 years later.
Next is a cup namde.
You can just guess. I mean, we don't expect.
Obviously, CSK will win, RCB will lose. That.
Okay.
Vijay Mallaya will never come to India.
Both are really tough to happen, but surely I'm hoping RCB wins. There's always next
Fingers
year.
crossed for that.
There's always next year.
RCB.
Say that I give you rupees 50,000 right now. Or I give you 1 rupee today and make sure that it doubles for the next 30 days. What would you choose?
I'll choose 50,000 because I like to spend it right now. Yes, बाकी का कल तो किसी ने देखा ही नहीं है ना, तो I'll have it this day.
Making it twice daily.
Yeah, it's going to double daily. Like today it's 1, tomorrow 2,
No,
then
he's a
4,
busy man.
8.
Definitely that, I mean, why not? 2 to the power 30, what do you mean?
Okay, so ma'am, you really missed a good chance.
No, I'm happy
By-
with that. He's
by-
there now with me.
By the end,
I'll take from him also, na later.
she's taking it.
I'll take from him also.
गजब टू विवाद आदमी
2 to the power 30, that's...
So yeah, that would be, I think, more than 53 crores
I'll take
by the end of 30 days.
1 rupee.
1
Anytime,
rupee.
double it.
For 30 days.
Yes.
What about you?
Yeah, double it.
Why do you think so? It's just 1 rupee, no? 50,000 I'm
We
giving
have
you
done
today.
this calculation earlier.
हिस्सा बराबर याद रखते हो
Okay. Yeah.
50,000.
What about you?
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा
Both of you missed on a great offer, you know. If you would have accepted 1 rupee today, by the end of 30 days, it would be more than 53 crore rupees. It's going to double, no? 1 rupee is going to become 2 and then 4 and 8.
Okay.
And that way, it's going to become 53 crore rupees.
Match concluded due to the rain.
You got some amazing answers from the folks in Bengaluru. We hope that you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching.
So what?